Okay, dear student, we are going to solving the model paper of SSC annual examination, physics theory class 10. We have solved all the question, remaining second last question, question number 14, which is the value of G decreases with altitude. Means G is the gravitational acceleration, its value is decreased when the body is raised up from the surface of the earth. Now, first of all, what is the value of G? Now, consider or let a body A having mass m is placed at the surface of the earth at the distance radius of earth, which is R capital. Now, W is the force exerted by the earth on the body, which is in downward direction, which is equal to F is equal to W, and ME denotes the mass of the earth. According to the Newton's law of gravitation, you know Newton's law of gravitation, which is F is equal to Gm1 m2 upon r square. But here F is equal to W, m1 is me, m2 is m, and small r is r capital, which is the radius of the earth. Now the equation will be, instead of F, we will write W. W is equal to G m upon r square, or W is equal to mg. As you know, mg is equal to G mem upon r square. M and m, they are cancelled to each other. The remaining equation is G is equal to Gme upon r square. So it is equation number 1. Now we are going to raise up the body at height h. So the body is raised at the height h. Then we will calculate the value of G. Now the body is raised to the height h from the surface of the earth. According to the Newton's law of gravitation, F is equal to G m1 m2 r square. Now here F is equal to W, m1 is equal to me, m2 is equal to m, and small r is equal to r plus h. Because we have raised the body from radius of earth to the height h, therefore r plus h is r. Now by putting the values, W is equal to G mem upon r plus h ka whole square. So W is equal to mg h. Because you have raised the body, therefore we will write here g h. M and m both are cancelled. Now gh is equal to gme upon r plus h ka whole square. So it comes the equation number 2 after raising the body from surface to the height h. Now divide equation 2 by 1. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Equation 2 is divided by equation number 1. We get gh upon g, gme r plus h whole square divided by gme r square. Now by taking its inverse, r square upon gme, both are cancelled, we get gh upon g is equal to r square upon r plus h square. Now we know that gravitational acceleration is inversely proportional to the distance, to the square of the distance. Therefore this is the whole value of r. We will get it inverse. So it comes gh upon g 1 over r plus h square, now r square. Now gh upon g is equal to 1 upon, by opening the r plus h square, that is a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Likewise r square plus 2rh plus h square. This is the LCM, common LCM. So you will take a denominator, all these three terms, r square cancel with r square and r is cancelled with square, h h square upon r square. Now gh upon g, 1 upon 1 plus 2h upon r. We will neglect h square upon r square, which is neglected because it is the most higher value. Now gh upon g is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 2h upon r. So gh upon g, 1 plus 2h upon r, we will take it as a numerator, so its power sign is changed. Now by solving his binomial theorem, it will become 1 minus 2h upon r. So here gh is equal to g into 1 minus 2h upon r. Hence, by increasing the height, value of g is decreased. So by this calculation, if you will calculate the value of g is 9.8. But here, by calculation, by putting the value of h and radius of earth and calculating it 1 minus this value, the value of g becomes 2 less, mean about 2.5. So the value of g is decreased by the increase of height. Okay, next question we will solve in the next class. Okay, thank you.